Atlanta. How are y'all doing, my fancy, fabulous friends? All right, so this is a continuation of the day in my life video where I showed you all of our grocery items. And so now we're gonna go to a location where we grab all of our meats for the month. All right, guys. So we are entering the store now. Now, I love this farmer's market. They have really cool retail shops as you enter. As you can see, it is really busy. This is on a Sunday. And there is so much fresh vegetables, fruit. Now we love farmers markets, but this is one of the most extensive farmers markets we've ever visited. So they have all the seafood after you get to the produce. We eat a lot of fish. So we get a lot of fresh fish from here. And then after the seafood section, and then you get into all of the fresh meats. There's also a lot of cool sauces and there's a lot to try. And it's an international farmers market, so you get to try all types of sauces and spices from all over the world. So here you have some chicken, you have some beef. And there's a huge variety as well. So every time we come, we try different things. So you guys will see some of the items that we chose in a few minutes. But I'm just giving you guys an overall idea of the experience here at this farmer's market. And so this is the butcher. And so as you can see, this is a pretty large farmer's market. You see all the spices that I was talking about. And if you read some of the signs as we go along here, you'll see there's the Asian food section, African, Pakistan, Indian, all types of diversity here at this farmer's market. My husband loves Chinese food, so I definitely get a lot of ideas from this place. I think we've tried over 10 different Asian sauces. I'm a big fan of Indian food myself, so I definitely grab, different spices and sauces for me too. Alright, so now you guys can get an idea of the huge variety of fish that we have to choose from. Alright guys, so check this out. So we have some chicken breast, we have some ground beef, we have some croaker that's already seasoned here. We have some little thin steak slices. Yeah, that is going to be air fried, guys. I'm excited. I like to use this smoked turkey to season vegetables. And so I got a couple of those. So here we go, and look at that price. Thanks for shopping with us. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.